Did you know a dirty or inaccurate sensor can reduce fuel economy by up to 15% and increase emissions by nearly 30%? That's right. In modern vehicles, your engine's performance depends heavily on tiny electronic sensors that constantly feed information to the car's computer. A typical modern engine uses 20 to 30 sensors to manage fuel, air, ignition timing, and emissions. Even worse, these small issues can slowly damage expensive components like catalytic converters and fuel injectors. The shocking part is that most drivers never clean these sensors during the life of their car. In this video, we are uncovering 9 critical engine sensors that almost nobody cleans, and ignoring them could cost you thousands in repairs. Let's start with one of the most commonly ignored sensor. Number 1. MAF sensor. The mass airflow sensor is one of the most important sensors in your engine, yet it's also one of the most commonly neglected. This sensor measures the exact amount of air entering the engine so the computer can deliver the correct amount of fuel. Over time, tiny particles from the air filter, dust, and oil vapors coat the delicate sensing wires inside the MAF sensor. When this happens, the sensor begins underreporting the amount of air entering the engine. The result is an overly rich fuel mixture, reduced fuel economy, sluggish acceleration, and sometimes black smoke from the exhaust. According to fuel economy testing, a dirty MAF sensor can reduce fuel efficiency by 10 to 15%. Although, cleaning the MAF sensor is actually very simple. First, disconnect the negative battery terminal for safety. Then, locate the MAF sensor in the air intake tube between the air filter box and the engine. Carefully unplug the electrical connector and remove the sensor screws. Once removed, spray the sensing element with a MAF sensor cleaner spray, but never touch the wire with your fingers or cloth because it is extremely delicate. Allow the cleaner to evaporate for about 10 minutes before reinstalling the sensor. Many drivers immediately notice smoother acceleration and improved fuel economy after cleaning it.
Number 2. Oxygen sensor. Your engine's oxygen sensor constantly measures how much oxygen remains in the exhaust gases after combustion. This data helps the engine computer fine-tune the fuel mixture for maximum efficiency. However, when this sensor becomes contaminated with carbon deposits, oil residue, or fuel additives, it starts sending delayed or inaccurate signals to the engine computer. According to automotive emissions research, a faulty oxygen sensor can increase fuel consumption by up to 20%. In fact, millions of vehicles waste fuel every year simply because their oxygen sensors are contaminated or slow to respond. However, cleaning the oxygen sensor can restore your lost MPG and engine performance. To clean your O2 sensor, first allow the exhaust system to cool completely. Locate the sensor on the exhaust pipe or near the catalytic converter. Remove it using an oxygen sensor socket. Once removed, soak the sensing tip in carburetor cleaner or specialized sensor cleaner for about 20 to 30 minutes to dissolve carbon deposits. Let it dry completely before reinstalling. This process can restore sensor responsiveness and improve fuel efficiency. Number 3. Throttle position sensor. The throttle position sensor tells the engine computer how far the throttle plate is open when you press the gas pedal. If carbon builds up inside the throttle body, diagnostic data shows that throttle-related sensor problems account for about 12% of drivability complaints in modern vehicles. Drivers may notice jerky acceleration, delayed throttle response, or rough idle. To clean your throttle body, first remove the air intake hose connected to the throttle body. Then spray throttle body cleaner onto a clean microfiber cloth and gently wipe around the throttle plate and surrounding area. Avoid spraying cleaner directly onto the TPS electronics. Removing carbon buildup around the throttle plate allows the sensor to read the throttle position more accurately and restores smooth acceleration. Number 4. MAP sensor. The MAP sensor measures the pressure inside the intake manifold so the engine computer can determine engine load. Over time, oil vapors from the crankcase ventilation system and carbon deposits can clog the small sensing port. When this happens, the sensor sends incorrect pressure readings. Studies show that MAP sensor contamination can reduce engine efficiency by nearly 10%. Drivers may experience poor acceleration, engine knocking, or rough idling. Many vehicle owners spend hundreds of dollars replacing spark plugs, coils, or fuel pumps trying to solve these symptoms. In reality, the problem may simply be a clogged MAP sensor port that requires careful cleaning to restore accurate readings. Cleaning the MAP sensor is relatively easy. Locate the MAP sensor on the intake manifold and unplug the electrical connector. Remove the mounting screw and carefully pull out the sensor. Spray the sensing port with electronic parts cleaner or MAF cleaner to dissolve oil residue and carbon deposits. Allow it to dry completely before reinstalling it. Cleaning of the MAP sensor restores accurate readings and improves engine efficiency. Number 5. Intake air temperature sensor. The intake air temperature sensor measures the temperature of incoming air so the engine computer can adjust fuel delivery accordingly. However, when the IAT sensor becomes coated with dirt or oil residue, it may incorrectly report the air temperature. This can cause the engine to run either too rich or too lean, reducing fuel economy and performance. However, cleaning this sensor is simple. It is usually located in the air intake tube or inside the air filter housing. Remove the sensor by unplugging the connector and unscrewing it if necessary. Spray the sensing tip with electronic cleaner or MAF cleaner and allow it to air dry for several minutes. Once clean, reinstall the sensor and reconnect the wiring harness. A quick cleaning can restore accurate temperature readings and help the engine maintain proper fuel mixture.
Number 6. Crankshaft position sensor. The crankshaft position sensor monitors the speed and position of the crankshaft to control ignition timing and fuel injection. Over time, these particles accumulate on the sensor tip and interfere with signal detection. Repair statistics show that crankshaft sensor issues cause nearly 10% of sudden engine stalling problems. Drivers may notice symptoms such as intermittent stalling, difficulty starting the engine, or sudden engine shutdown while driving. To clean your crankshaft sensor, locate the sensor near the crankshaft pulley or engine block. Disconnect the wiring harness and remove the mounting bolt. Carefully pull the sensor out and inspect the magnetic tip. If metal debris is present, gently wipe it off using a clean cloth or spray it with electronic parts cleaner. After cleaning, reinstall the sensor and reconnect the wiring. Number 7. Camshaft position sensor. The camshaft position sensor works together with the crankshaft sensor to determine the precise timing of the engine's valves. When the camshaft sensor begins sending inconsistent data, the engine may experience rough idling, poor acceleration, or longer cranking before starting. Automotive diagnostics data suggests that camshaft sensor faults contribute to nearly 8% of engine timing-related drivability issues. Symptoms of a bad camshaft position sensor involve longer cranking times, rough idle, or poor acceleration. However, it is very easy to clean the camshaft sensor. Unplug the sensor connector and remove the mounting bolt near the cylinder head. Once removed, spray the sensing area with electronic cleaner to remove oil residue and debris. Allow it to dry completely before reinstalling. Keeping this sensor clean helps maintain accurate valve timing and smoother engine operation. Number 8. Knock sensor. The knock sensor detects engine vibrations caused by detonation or knocking. When knock is detected, the engine computer adjusts ignition timing to protect the engine. But if the sensor becomes contaminated or starts malfunctioning, it may falsely detect knocking even when the engine is running normally. When this happens, the engine computer permanently reduces ignition timing as a safety precaution. Automotive engineers report that false knock signals can reduce engine power by up to 20%. To clean this sensor requires accessing it on the engine block or intake manifold. Disconnect the wiring connector and remove the mounting bolt. Inspect the sensor surface and the mounting area for dirt, corrosion, or oil buildup. Clean both the sensor surface and mounting point using electronic cleaner and a clean cloth. Proper contact between the sensor and engine block is essential for accurate vibration detection. Number 9. EGR pressure sensor. The EGR pressure sensor monitors the flow of exhaust gases within the exhaust gas recirculation system. However, exhaust gases contain carbon particles that slowly clog the sensor and its tiny passages. According to emission studies, EGR system problems account for nearly 15% of check engine light warnings in modern vehicles. Drivers may experience rough idling, reduced engine power, or increased emissions during vehicle inspections.
Many people replace expensive EGR valves or other components without realizing that the actual issue is a clogged pressure sensor. To clean your EGR pressure sensor, first remove it from the EGR system tubing or valve assembly. After unplugging the connector and removing the mounting bolts, spray the sensor ports with carburetor cleaner or electronic cleaner to dissolve carbon deposits. Once the carbon buildup is removed, reinstall the sensor and reconnect the wiring. In maximum cases, cleaning the sensor and its passages can restore proper EGR operation and prevent unnecessary repairs. The bottom of this video is, modern engines rely heavily on accurate sensor data to run efficiently. When these sensors become dirty or contaminated, the surprising truth is that many of these issues can be prevented with simple sensor inspection and cleaning during routine maintenance. So the next time your car feels sluggish or inefficient, don't assume the engine is failing.